Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about positive affirmations that can help you manifest success and abundance in your life. Success and abundance are not just about wealth and material possessions. It's about having a positive mindset, being grateful for what you have, and attracting more positivity into your life. Positive affirmations can help you achieve that. So, let's get started. I am worthy of success and abundance in all areas of my life. I deserve to live a happy and fulfilling life. I am open to receiving all the good things that the universe has to offer. I trust that abundance is flowing to me in every moment. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, and I attract even more abundance with my gratitude. I am confident in my abilities, and I know that I can achieve anything I set my mind to. I release all negative beliefs and thoughts that hold me back from success and abundance. I am free to create the life that I desire. So there you have it, positive affirmations that can help you manifest success and abundance in your life. Remember, it's important to repeat these affirmations daily and truly believe in them. With a positive mindset, anything is possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.